Welcome back. Yeah man, and it's your boy cameraman, and you know see me and Shava and Rasta out here today. Yeah man, so big up on yourself, and today we're up on a lovely project, so just stay tuned and watch what go on until we get in the project. Yes, so we go ahead and we start strip off. As I can see, we have some body rafters here, so I go ahead and change them out, then we go get it plied. So yes, so these are the rafters that the pre-existing roof did have. Yeah, but now, so we are go ahead and start changing them out with some new rafters. You know what two before we have, so just go and lock in and try go on. So this is how it stay now. I go ahead and change out the rafter them. This up on top. As you see, we start fly already. Yeah man, putting fly already. So I'll go ahead and start and get this reinstalled. Yeah man, so we have a one leader here and we start chip off this. Yeah man, we get standing seam on it. Yeah man, so we start chip off it and rain come down pan way. So we just cover it up, as you can see. It will cover up. Yeah man, so and this we are doing, we have up on top video. So the next process after we done this, we'll go up on top roof. And rain fall, so we get it covered. And I shingle upon it. Yeah, man, so this is rubbish right upon it to shingle them. So the next process we'll get it fly up. I'll get this fly up. Change couple of rafters. So as soon as the rain stop, I'll go back up on top and show you how I go on. So just go and lock in. So this is up on the top now guys, that we all do. It here. So we reach up on top now, so we are chip off all of this string there. And reel. We apply it and felt it and then lat it for the standing seam. Yeah man, some lovely birds up here too. So this we'll go ahead and do in the coming week. Yeah man, you know it's a whole heap of work. Good amount of work. See what going there? Yeah man, your boy cameraman out here. The bird them down there, so on top of the roof. Yes, so we are getting strippers also. So once the team out here full force, I get it stripped, then we take off these lots and fly it at a T1 level. Treated ply, and we are treat the pest man the downstairs, so come up, so we are going to strip off side way. You know, say one side of the pan, we know start the next side of it, and really catch it so job and one chop all in. Yeah man, so one side of the pan today. We are get that side that open up, and then we are chop all in it. So we start moving a lot them up. One way, two of them by shingle the nail pan, we start remove them already. So we are go ahead and try remove the rest of them. Yeah man, so you can see we are going very well. So let's go on, watch how go on. Yeah man, so we go ahead and start drop out one fly. When the rain come down back, so we drop on chop all in and bring it run for the next side. So we stay here now. It's the pest man downstairs or spray downstairs. Then so we come upstairs. Then so we come on top of the roof. Yeah man, so we're going there. I chip off one more side, as you can see. Yeah man, see ply them here. Let me have some of my ply them over here go install. See Rebel here, that's a shingle. Yeah man. So I'll get the chop all in down. Not if any rain. Everything inside alright. Yeah, see breeze. The breeze up here is strong said there. Yeah man. I bring it right down the building. That side, two sides I will leave. After we're done stripping next side. And this side over here, so. See breeze running chop all in. Said time some other guys downstairs are foolish truck, rubbish. Yeah man, so we are clean up said time. By a Rebel we did this, so. Yeah man, so guys down there clean up. The truck load said time. So I'll go in there. Some guys downstairs are clean up. As I can see. Only heap of Rebel. Only one whole heap of Rebel. They just one lock in until I get another update. Yeah, man, it's your boy cameraman. So the truck will go and load. First boy go and clean up. And then I'll load the truck said time. Yeah man. So I'll go on in the truck there. I'll go on in the truck guys. Then time we get down here to sort it out.